Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How's it going? I hope you all are doing so great by the grace of Allah. Welcome to my Learning World YouTube channel. So viewers, আজকে আমরা আলোচনা করব সূরা ফাতিহার ইংরেজি ট্রান্সলেশন নিয়ে। চলুন শুরু করি। আউযু বিল্লাহি মিনাশ শাইতানির রাজিম। I seek refuge in Allah from the cursed shaitan. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, the ever merciful. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. All praises to Allah Subhanahu wa ta'ala, the sustainer of the worlds. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim, the most compassionate, the ever merciful. Maliki Yawmiddin, master of the day of judgment. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Oh Allah, you alone do we worship and look for help. Ihdina siratal mustaqim. Show us the straight way. Siratal ladhina an'amta alayhim, the path of those whom you have bestowed your favors. Ghayril maghdubi alayhim waladdallin, nor of those who have been afflicted with wrath, nor those who are astray. No more today. Love you all. Love you so much. Assalamu alaikum.